Look up at the night sky. If you are far away from city lights, you see a dusty, glowing river of stars. This is the Milky Way, our home. It looks peaceful, doesn't it? But inside this glowing band of light, there are secrets that are hard to imagine. There are zombie stars, a monster hiding in the center, and a future collision that will change everything. Most of us think we know our galaxy, but the Milky Way is far more mysterious than it appears. Today on Chapter 10 we are counting down 10 mind-blowing facts about the Milky Way that will make you realize just how small, and how lucky we really are. When you see a drawing of the Milky Way, it looks like a flat pancake, but it's actually warped. Astronomers recently discovered that our galaxy is twisted. Imagine a plastic record that has been left in the sun and started to bend. That is the Milky Way. Why? Scientists believe it's because of gravity. Two smaller neighbor galaxies, the Large and Small Magellanic Clouds, are pulling on our galaxy's edges. This tug-of-war has bent the edges of our home into a wavy shape. We aren't living on a flat disk, we are living on a giant vibrating cosmic wave. At the very heart of the Milky Way lies a monster. It is called Sagittarius A, pronounced A-star. This is a supermassive black hole. How big is it? It has the mass of 4 million suns. It sits there, pulling entire solar systems toward it with incredible force. Everything in our galaxy, including our sun, is orbiting this dark center. Don't worry though, we are about 26,000 light-years away. We are safe for now, but we are all technically dancing around a giant cosmic drain. The Milky Way looks beautiful, but it has a dark past. It is a cannibal. This means our galaxy grew to its massive size by eating other, smaller galaxies. Even right now, the Milky Way is consuming the Sagittarius dwarf galaxy. By looking at the scars or streams of stars in our sky, scientists can track the ancient galaxies that the Milky Way swallowed billions of years ago. To become a giant, our home had to be a hunter. How many stars are in the Milky Way? The number is so big it's hard to say, but experts estimate between 100 billion and 400 billion stars. But here is the even crazier part. Almost every one of those stars has at least one planet. That means there are at least 100 billion planets in our galaxy alone. Many of them are exoplanets, worlds that could have oceans, mountains, or even life. If you spent just 1 second looking at every planet in our galaxy, it would take you over 3,000 years to see them all. You might feel like you are sitting still right now, but you are actually a passenger on a cosmic race car. The Earth is spinning, the Earth is orbiting the Sun, and the Sun is traveling through the Milky Way at 514,000 miles per hour. Even at that incredible speed, it takes the Sun about 230 million years to make just one full circle around the galaxy. The last time our solar system was in this exact spot in the galaxy, dinosaurs were just starting to appear on Earth. What you see isn't everything. About 90% of the Milky Way is invisible. Our galaxy is surrounded by a massive halo of dark matter. We can't see it, we can't touch it, and we can't measure it with light. But we know it's there because its gravity keeps the galaxy from flying apart. Without this invisible glue, the stars of the Milky Way would just drift away into the empty void. We are living inside a giant mystery. With 100 billion planets, many scientists ask, where is everyone? This is called the Fermi paradox. If even a small percentage of those planets had life, the Milky Way should be full of civilizations. Some think they are hiding, others think they are too far away, or perhaps we are the first ones to reach this level of intelligence. Every time you look at the Milky Way, you are looking at a giant puzzle. Is it a crowded city we can't hear, or a vast, empty desert? The Milky Way is filled with dust and gas. This dust is what creates those dark patches in the middle of the stars. Interestingly, some of the chemicals found in these dust clouds are similar to things on Earth. For example, there is a giant cloud in the center of our galaxy called Sagittarius B2 that contains ethyl formate. This is the chemical that gives raspberries their flavor and rum its smell. So, in a way, the center of our galaxy might smell like a giant cosmic raspberry. The Milky Way is on a collision course. Our neighbor, the Andromeda galaxy, is heading toward us at 250,000 miles per hour. In about 4 billion years, the two galaxies will crash into each other. But here is the strange part. Because space is so big and stars are so far apart, nothing will actually hit. The stars will simply pass by each other like ghosts, and the two galaxies will dance until they merge into one giant new galaxy. Scientists have already named it Milkdromeda. The Milky Way isn't alone. It is part of a small group called the Local Group, which includes about 50 other galaxies, and the Local Group is part of an even bigger structure called the Laniakea Supercluster. Laniakea means immense heaven in Hawaiian. It contains 100,000 galaxies. Our entire home, with all its billions of stars, is just one tiny leaf on a massive cosmic tree. The Milky Way is more than just stars in the sky. It is a living, moving and breathing system that we call home. Which of these facts surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you loved this journey, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Chapter 10 for more space secrets. And if you want to see more amazing videos about the cosmos, be sure to check out our playlist, Universe Files. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring.